I want to thank Binham Photo for bringing this to our attention and finding a solution, while DJI will give us a resolution in the next upcoming firmware. We need to go into our cog setting and locate date and time. You're going to look at your daylight savings time. Ours has started on Sunday, March 9th. We are here on May 2nd. So what we are going to be doing is taking this, bringing it down to, let's say, January 1st, 2025. This is before daylight savings time, and click OK. We are then going to simply close out and then go into our camera, go to the cog again, and scroll down till we see timer shooting. We're going to enable it by hitting the switch for green. We're going to do video. The time here is 12:51:45. So at 12:55 would be fair. Set it up. So we could do 12:54 p.m. That'd be quick enough. And we're all set for 1 minute once, exit out, end video, and shut the camera off. At 12:54, in 2 minutes time, we should see this work. At 12:53, 30 seconds. 30 seconds prior, the camera should wake up in a couple of seconds. And there we are. And when it gets down to 12:54, it'll give a 3-second or 5-second countdown and start your time. And here we go, getting ready to start our time. It'll do its 1 minute record, and then after